How AI will create 10 million jobs by 2030. AI is not taking away jobs, it's creating them. By 2030, AI is projected to generate over 10 million new jobs worldwide. But how? And where will these opportunities be? Stay with us as we explore the future of AI-driven job creation. Chapter 1: AI is transforming industries. AI is revolutionizing industries, from healthcare and finance to retail and transportation. As businesses integrate AI into daily operations, the demand for AI-skilled professionals is skyrocketing. Healthcare, AI-assisted surgeries, medical AI research, and robotic caregivers. Finance, AI-driven stock trading, fraud detection, and robo-advisors. Manufacturing roles emerging due to AI ethics specialist, ensuring AI systems remain fair and unbiased. AI prompt engineer, designing AI-generated content for businesses. AI data analyst, processing and interpreting AI-generated data. AI trainers, teaching AI models using real-world data. AI cybersecurity expert, protecting AI systems from cyber threats. AI healthcare consultant, using AI for personalized treatment plans. Chapter 3: Skills you need to succeed in AI-powered jobs. Want to secure a high-paying AI job? Here are the top skills you need to learn. Technical skills: Python, machine learning, cloud computing, NLP, data analysis, SQL, big data processing, AI model training. Soft skills: critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving. AI tools: ChatGPT, Midjourney, TensorFlow, OpenAI APIs. The best way to future-proof your career is to start learning these skills today. Chapter 4: Preparing for the future of AI jobs, 4:30 to 5:30. So, how can you prepare for this AI-powered job market? Enroll in AI courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Google AI offer great training. Build AI projects. Start small, create chatbots, analyze datasets, or automate tasks. Stay updated, follow AI trends, attend webinars, and join AI communities. Network with AI professionals. LinkedIn, AI meetups, and online forums are great places to connect. Conclusion: AI is not replacing jobs, it's creating them. The future belongs to those who embrace AI and learn the right skills. What do you think? Will AI shape your career? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI insights. Call to action: if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI content. Stay ahead of the curve and prepare for the future of work.